In front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now hit Screen Lock at the top left corner and pick one of those options: pattern, PIN or password. Wait 5 seconds. Select Got it and finally create your login method. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Then repeat it to confirm it. And hit confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by hitting Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it now, hit Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!